Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will teach you that how to do R sound in many languages. This pronunciation is on many languages, especially European languages. So I am going to tell you the way to pronounce it. You have to make a strong vibration sound in your palate with your tongue. So like this. I will give you some example words. The Italian word tromba and Spanish word perro. The Galician word roibo. Croatian word radosti. And the Czech word rozdelać. So you have to roll your tongue a lot, like like this. So you have to practice this pronunciation for some days or some weeks. Then you will get and able to pronounce it. So I hope you will be able to do it, and thank you very much.